Devin.
Yes.
Evan. Oh, it rhymes. Devin, Evan, Greg, John. So Devin, this is like we'll do like, it's just like an unboxing video, right?
Unboxing? Yeah,
He's
sure.
never seen what's in the stocking before.
Let's see. Okay, so obviously there's a candy cane.
Okay, there's a candy cane.
Don't spoil it for the rest of us.
Well, it's an unboxing video.
It's an unboxing video, yeah.
Just plug your ears if
and
you don't want to hear.
You got we're doing neat content for YouTube. Come on, guys.
Exactly. Okay, so.
And then what else do we have in there?
Oh, it's a Visa gift card? Oh, wow.
Oh wow. Okay, awesome.
Nice.
Very nice. And what is it? Show
Look
us
at
what it is.
that. Oh, yeah.
Oh baby, yeah. Okay.
Yes. Good thing I'm not allergic to nuts.
We should put the unboxing video on our website.
Oh, we got some more of them.
Oh, look at that too.
Yeah.
That's a twofer. Okay.
It's a good thing I like nuts.
There's still more in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
There's a good amount. They
Check
like
it.
us, I guess.
Wow, I guess so. Okay.
Okay, so we got some candy. Okay.
Look at the candy. All right, good, very good.
Let's see what else we got. More candy. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me just.
Okay, you're gonna dump it out. There you go.
Lots of candy.
Look at that candy. All right. Oh, look at that haul. Look at that haul.
Look at that.
Dang.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's a haul video right there.
Hold on. This one's look. It's a Mozart piano
Oh,
bar.
look at that. Oh, look at that. Isn't
That's
that cool?
pretty cool.
That
huh?
is cool.
Where's the guitar bar? They don't have guitar bars.
I guess not. Well, so okay, so this is Devin. He plays guitar in the band.
Yeah.
So thank you for hello. So thank you for unboxing the stocking for us. Very nice. All right.